Wisconsin does not have a similar gun law that would be challenged because of this ruling, but it doesn't mean that our state won't be affected in some way in the future. Fox 11's Lexi Schrader brings us both sides.
James Santel is a former United States attorney for the Eastern District of the state and currently serves on the board for WAVE, the Wisconsin Anti-Violence Effort. He says the Supreme Court's decision to throw out New York's concealed carry law was not a great surprise.
Establishes basically that the government has very little, if any, authorization to require permits and a processing based upon need and specialized interest.
He says although Wisconsin isn't directly affected by the ruling now, it could still affect gun laws in the state in the future.
So one of the things that I'm certain our Department of Justice here in the state of Wisconsin is looking at right now is the impact of this very broad statement by the Supreme Court upon the state of Wisconsin's process.
Thomas Leger is the executive director of Wisconsin Gun Owners, Inc., a gun rights organization. He says that he hopes the Supreme Court ruling will help Wisconsin get rid of its licensing process.
If you're able to pass a background check and you're able to carry a gun, a handgun or whatever, you'll be able to carry it without having to pay a fee or go through the burden of having to go through another background check when you've already gone through one to get the firearm itself.
Wisconsin is a shall-issued state, meaning gun laws operate at the same level with concealed carry weapons licenses issued by the Department of Justice.
From what I've seen, it's going to open up a lot of new avenues for pro-Second Amendment laws.
According to the U.S. Concealed Carry Association, over 460,000 concealed carry permits have been issued in Wisconsin. Concealed carry is legal for residents with a concealed weapons license and for non-residents with a license or permit from another state that Wisconsin honors.
It's a 5-year permit. There's a bit of training involved, and there's also a fee that goes along with this.
Leger says the SCOTUS ruling affects mainly May-issue states, which means an applicant must demonstrate a specific need for the permit.
It's a big win for the Constitution, and it's also a big win for self-defense and the public's right to carry for self-defense.
This issue, I would simply say, is one that every American, whether you're a gun owner, a non-gun owner, whatever you think about the Second Amendment, requires our attention, requires our focus, and requires our academic interest and engagement.
Lexi Schrader, Fox 11 News.